Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Asus board is in UEFI mode and you have a recovery USB ready. You then update the BIOS to the latest stable revision to avoid firmware bugs that block Secure Boot. Once done, download the Riot Vanguard driver installer and current GPU drivers. Vanguard requires driver signing integrity. Make sure Windows is fully updated because Secure Boot enforces Microsoft signing chains. This saves time and prevents signature conflicts later. You now configure Secure Boot keys. Reboot into UEFI, switch Secure Boot to custom mode, and inspect the key management area. This lets you view and enroll keys. Enroll the Microsoft Windows Production PCA and the Platform Key PK if they are missing, because Vanguard relies on Microsoft's signing chain. If Compatibility Support module is on, disable it only after confirming all drives and GPUs are UEFI compatible. Otherwise, Windows may not boot. These steps ensure signed drivers load cleanly. You finish by installing Riot Vanguard while Secure Boot is enabled. The installer should register its signed driver in the system. Reboot and verify in Device Manager that the kernel driver is present with no code 52 or unsigned driver errors. If Windows blocks the driver, disable Secure Boot briefly, reinstall Vanguard, then re-enable Secure Boot and re-enroll keys. This forces a clean signature path. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, check BIOS Secure Boot logs and roll back to the previous BIOS, then repeat enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.